Oh, I didn't have this on. Dumb shit. Okay, so we have the car on navigate on autopilot. So Valerie, take your hands off the wheel. Just see, just the car is driving itself. Ta-da! So, oh, and you can see the other car that just went by. It seems to be staying in the lane. Yeah, it seems to be doing in the lane okay.
I wonder if you need to have both hands.
I don't know.
Now it's telling me to do something.
I think you're okay. They might have probably told you to put some pressure on it.
Maybe it just, I don't know why it does that. Maybe I don't have enough pressure on it. I can feel it moving itself.
Yeah.
Especially like when that white line was way over there, I wanted to go that way.
It seems to be staying right in the lane though. Apply slight turning force to the wheel, so.
So I don't know why it's doing that.
I don't know.
Unless it needs to get used to being here or something.
It might need to kind of get used to it. Take your hands off the wheel and see how long it goes before it gives you a warning. Okay, just leave it off. Oh, this is totally weird.
This is really scary.
You want to take a nap? Okay, now it's telling you to. Okay, so anyway, that's cool. Autopilot.